beautiful.
Greetings, welcome to Travels Manda Jones. What better place to start this food tour other than in Marsaxlokk, which is one of the most central parts of the country to come for fish. I'm in Roots, which is on the main thoroughfare of the village, and I've just sat down and ordered something to get my taste buds going. They've imported fresh snapper today, as well as sea bream, so I'm very much looking forward to seeing what they have to offer in terms of the local catch. I haven't had an oyster in over 20 years. The last time was when I was in Madrid visiting my au pair, and I wasn't so keen on it, to be honest. Let's see if things have changed since my first experience. I like it. I can only say it's got a very slippery feel about it. An interesting aftertaste. So you can see how much this place fills up at just gone 12:30. Very, very popular indeed. It's Sunday, which of course is the busiest day for fish. Highly recommended to book. The meal for a pasta dish, the sea bass, 2 beers, vegetables and 2 oysters came to just shy of €50. So be prepared to part with a bit of cash when coming here. So, Roots, this is the place, and on to the next place.
I'm heading to the small town of Zurich, located in the southern region of Malta. It's one of the oldest towns in the country, and I'm here to try one of Malta's best known and tastiest street foods. They're cheap and very filling.
Pastizzi, 1 chicken. Is it good? I've never tried it before. Great. And the beef pie as well.
How much you want?
1 beef pie,
And
1 chicken pastizzi. Thank you. Grazie. A little. I give you 20. There's 20. Good man.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go. That was nice. So I've just ordered the Pastizzi, which is a local pasty, and it reminds me of the Cornish pasty that we have in Britain. It's filled with chicken. The traditional ones, I believe, are filled with pea, and this one I've opted for the meat, as I'm craving some meat, in fact. On here are sesame seeds. It feels very moist. Let's give it a go, shall we? It's lovely. It's quite salty and extremely flaky, but it's good. It's good food for hiking and walking.
Last stop, I'm making for the capital Valletta. Like many capitals around the world, you're spoilt for choice for food options. The Besides pastries, Malta has another celebrated dish.
As part of my food tour, I've decided to come to this very traditional Maltese restaurant. It lies in the heart of Valletta on the busy Republic Street, but blink and you might miss it. That said, it's one of the most talked about places with anyone with some knowledge of the capital. The name is the King's Own Band Club, Bar and Restaurant, and I have a reservation for 7 o'clock, which is just about now. So I've just ordered one of the most traditional Maltese dishes you can possibly get, rabbit pie. This is a combination of various herbs, including basil and dill, which you can't actually see, seasoned with rosemary, and there's even orange and some onion accompanied with this dish. It looks scrumptious, very hearty. Let's get a little bit of rabbit in here, shall we? That flavour is very different to what I expected of Malta, being such a fish-dominant country.
Whilst the restaurant's relatively new, the premises in which it's situated has a long-standing history. The club was founded in 1874 and became one of the leading band clubs on the island. Under British rule during the reign of King Edward VII, son of Queen Victoria, the band was given the name it is known by today.
Very, very nice meal indeed. 2-course meal at this place came to just shy of 60 euros. The rabbit was very, very nicely cooked. The service was excellent, the ambience was perfect, and overall I would give that experience an 8 out of 10. Thumbs up. That concludes my food tour of Malta. I hope you've enjoyed my content. Do stay tuned for more videos coming up on Malta and other destinations around the world. As always, stay safe, and you'll see me on my next video. Bye-bye.